Today I'm going to show you how to build a simple sales funnel inside of ClickFunnels. First of all, you're going to sign into your ClickFunnels account, and then you're going to click on Build a Funnel. This may take a few seconds to load. Next, you're going to choose Collect Emails, and you're going to name your funnel. Funnel group I select is Training, and click Build a Funnel. Build Funnel. This simple funnel builder, email landing page, and a thank you page. For your opt-in page, you're going to choose a simple template with a white background. So we're going to pick Basic Squeeze page. Click Edit Page. Once you've reached your funnel, it's time to change the text on your opt-in page. As you make changes to your opt-in page, always remember to save. Click on the button to edit the button. Get free access now. Set action. Go to website URL, and you're going to add your link to get the free download. I have my link already in my Linktree account, so I'm just going to go copy the link address and then paste it into my sales funnel. Right click, paste, and then press enter. You can see the link right down here on the button. Click back and go back to your sales funnel. As you can see right here is a disclaimer on affiliate earnings. Leave that in there because you're going to need it for government purposes. I also like to add a privacy statement in my sales funnel. I have one already set up. This is my privacy policy. I'm gonna grab the link and post it in my sales funnel. And click on that. Once your sales funnel looks good, you can now click save. Exit. Before we go to the thank you page, we need to go back to the sales funnel. Click edit page. Now we're going to go to settings, integrations. We're going to add an email autoresponder to our sales funnel. ClickFunnels internal. Add to list. I already have an area background. Integrate existing list. And that's my email list. And it's now connected. We're going to click save again. And then exit the funnel. Exit the opt-in page. And choose a thank you page. Okay, so this is the template I chose for the thank you page. We're going to edit our thank you page. You can also get creative with your opt-in pages. You can change your background. You can change the color of your fonts. So I'm going to edit this thank you page. So my thank you page looks good. I'm gonna have to delete one or two things on here. And I'm going to change this name right here. Looks good. Click save. Exit. Now our sales funnel is complete. You can now copy your link to your sales funnel and start sharing. Start sending traffic to your sales funnel.